लाइफ में कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी बनती है जो आप सोचो वो आप कर सकते हो. माई हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग अ डायरी हैज़ क्रिएटेड अ वंडर्स इन माई लाइफ. दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट डायरी. जब मैं डिटेक्ट हुआ था, लुक एट दिस डेट, जिसमें क्लियर कट लिखा हुआ है 21st of June 2010. Whatever questions I wanted to ask, I had written down everything. Whether it was related to medical grounds or a psychological or a side effects or a fear or tension. And the last question was, सर अगर आप मेरी जगह होते तो आप क्या करते? Simple. So, and they used to have lot of patience in answering each and every question. That is a wonderful thing these doctors have taught me. They are not doctors, they are life changers. And especially people dealing with cancers, and if they are lucky to have such doctors who change their life, they are blessed. I am one of them, and that is what is making me emotional. I cry a lot. 27th of August 2010. थोड़ा सा मैं उसके पहले का समा बांध देता हूँ. When I was detected, the doctor had told me on 14th of June 2010, and I was talking with him. तो जब मैंने उनको कहा था कि मैं 21 तारीख को चल के आऊँगा 5 दिन के बाद, तो he gave me a sarcastic smile and I knew he was not confident कि ऐसा possible होगा, right? So I wanted to reconfirm with him after few months कि उस समय you did not utter a single word, but you gave me a sarcastical smile. And that time your thought process was that कि Dilip, you go home, probably you may not be able to survive, or probably you may not be able to walk, and you are talking about walking and not dying of cancer. About to stop all this bullshit. And he confirmed it. Yes, it was. I was thinking like that. बोला 2-4 गाली भी दे दी थी. He said, you are playing great mind games. You have super mind control with a positive thoughts, which helps me recover fast and getting healed completely. He said, you are like a Australian cricket team. I asked, what do you mean? He said they win before they actually play the game through mind games. I informed him that means that we are on the right path. He asked me which path. I informed him creating world record by creating complete remission of multiple myeloma from me by December 31st, 2010. I asked him, when he informed me that I am diagnosed with multiple myeloma and it is one type of cancer, it is not curable, he thought I will be sad and shocked, depressed. But I was pretty normal and accepted all what he said, and I told him it's okay, it's fine. I am aware of the fact. The main question was, doctor, I felt from your body reaction that whatever he informed me, probably I have not understood it clearly, and the impact of the disease. Was it right? He said yes. At that particular time, I was creating and talking to myself that we together will create world record by creating miracle, and we all will be as a team, including my family members and doctors involved in treating me, will be on headlines. He stood up happily and shook firm hands with me. Yes, it is on the way. Now I am more confident. There is no past tense, no future tense. Everything is in present tense. Every word is in present tense. It's great. I am whole. complete, perfect in the affinity of my life. I am getting healed faster and I declare I am out of multiple myeloma by December 31st, 2010. तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है वो लोगों को बहुत इंस्पायर करती है एंड दैट इज मेकिंग देम टू लीड अ नॉर्मल लाइफ. नॉट ओनली नॉर्मल लाइफ सब लोग जीते हैं. हम लोग लकी है, हम लोग क्वालिटी लाइफ जीते हैं. जस्ट इमेजिन यू हैव बीन टोल्ड टू डाई कि भाई 40-50 डेज में आप मर जाओ. फर्स्ट थिंग विल कम टू मेरे जीवन में रह क्या गया, तो यू विल ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दैट. कि बच्चे की शादी कर ले, ये कर दे, किसी को सॉरी बोलना है, थैंक यू बोलना है. तो मतलब जैसे बैलेंस शीट, लाइफ की बैलेंस शीट हम लोग 0/0 करने की बात करेंगे. ठीक है, मैंने भी 40-50 दिन में 0/0 कर दिया. 0/0 करने के बाद में इमेजिन करो 14 साल की जिंदगी, मेरी जिंदगी कितनी खुशहाल गई होगी कि मेरे जीवन में कुछ करने का बाकी है ही नहीं. मैं जो नया लिखता हूँ कि मुझे अभी यहाँ जाना है या ये करना है, हम लोग कर लेते हैं, ख़त्म हो गई बात, कहानी ख़त्म हो गई. राइट. और उसको उसके साथ में जो स्पाइस जो है ना, लाइफ जीने का जो स्पाइस है, दैट इज अनबिलीवेबल.